a regular pediatric vaccinator. We have been given vaccines for years, and so we have been trained in all the safe injection procedures and techniques in giving vaccination. And therefore, our vaccinators are the ANMs who have been giving vaccination on the pediatric and the for maternity patients.
How many are you all expecting today?
See, we have a beneficiary list of 100, but a few people have gone out of station, or they've left the job, or they could come under the contraindications of pregnancy, lactation, or having history of allergies to drugs and food, or history of a severe allergic reaction like an anaphylaxis. So these are the only conditions in which we will not give the vaccine.
What may be the side effects?
Side effects can range from mild, which are flu-like symptoms like running nose, fever, body ache, malaise, or there can be serious and severe side effects that may require hospitalization, which are extremely rare, but for which we are ready. We have here AEFI corner, management corner, and if a patient gets serious, we will then transfer them to the AEFI management center, which is at Auspicia Hospital. With all vaccines, you could get these side effects, and we are prepared for them.